Oh yeah, no, AIT. Okay. You tell us your name. Don't look back. Don't look back. Just see. Just that TV. Just look the television. So, then tell us your name. Tell us your name and what happened. What brought you here?
My name is David Kato Shagba. What brought me here? I killed a child with a teacher, a great teacher, and this a Clear Hope School on the 23rd. So me with my friend, we demanding for ransom of 250 million. Later on, we come to settle on 3 million. When we collect the money, when we are sharing the money, my friend now, that was where we have an issue. My friend now stabbed me with knife and took the money and ran away. I now struggle myself and take myself to someone's house and tell the person this is what is going on. But I did not tell the person the truth by that time because I was afraid, because the community people may have killed me by then immediately. I was insisting of seeing police people so that they will take me to the hospital so that I will explain the whole story there better. So that was where the man said that I should wait, he will call the police to come. So when the police people now came, then took me to the hospital. After giving me the treatment, they now began to ask me what happened. I now start to narrate the whole story for them from the beginning, how we killed the woman and the baby, and where we took it and where we go and dump it. That is the story, sir.
So why did you kill the woman and the baby?
It's a friend. That my friend Sunday. His name is Sunday. It's him that asked that I should, where I'm posted in the security place, that I should look for any alternative, any place that, anywhere that I see that money, any parent or any person that I see that he has money, that I will bring a solution. We will kidnap the person and go and hide the person and demand for money. I said, no, why will we kill the person? Why will not we take the person and go and keep it? He said, we didn't have car, we didn't have where to keep the person. I said, but killing the person is wrong now. He said, no. Him, you know what we do? He will rent a truck from Aboki Malam place, this Babambola. And that was how he did. He rented a truck and bring it and we kill the people and put it inside the sack and take it to a covert and go and dump it there.
So how many people have you killed before now? Or how many people have you kidnapped?
I have never kidnapped someone. I have never killed someone. That is the first time Sunday pushed me into this evil act.
What did you use in killing the child? Is it knife? Is it
What we use in killing the child was rope. The woman also Sunday asked me to go and call her from her class, and the Sunday was hiding in the toilet. So when I called the woman, I said that I should tell her I should go and show the woman something at the front toilet so that he will come out from the toilet and hold the woman. So when I was going with the woman, he now came out from his back and he held the woman, put rope on her neck and start struggling with the woman. They struggled with her till she was weak. Then he asked me I should run to go and carry the baby and come with him to also come and kill. I said, no, this one is okay now. So he said, no, if you didn't carry this baby, the money you demand, it will not be enough. I should go and carry the baby and bring it.
What's the relationship between this baby, this woman, and why did you choose this woman and this baby?
There is no any relationship. The woman, she was nice to me. Even that very day that woman give me 300 naira to go and eat food. And ever since before, she has been giving me money to go and eat food.
Why did you not agree to kill somebody who is nice to you? The woman is
Did it? Okay, now when the idea was brought to you, it means you have the mind to kill. That's why you cooperated with them. You have the mind, Abi.
So what do you want the police to do to you now?
Sir, what I want the police to do to me, I know this thing I did, I'm regretting it in my life, for the whole of my life, but even they will kill me. What I just have to say last, I'm advising the whole world and the parents, they should advise their children to keep away from bad friends and bad people. That is all I have to say. And wheresoever those people are, even I'm going to meet them, I'm begging for their forgiveness. And the people that are alive now, they should also help me to beg for forgiveness. That's he ran away when he stopped me. He ran away.
My name is Zachariah Feinfolua.
Zachariah
Feinfolua. I am here because one of our security operatives that was posted to a school in Dawaki, he was involved in kidnapping and killing of a child and a nurse in the school. That is where I'm here, sir.
So what do you know about this whole incident?
On Wednesday last week, the principal of the school called me around 4:51 p.m. So she called me that the security in the school is nowhere to be found. And immediately I rushed down to the location. When I got there, I met many people in the school. And after that, they told me that the nurse and a baby, 14-month-old baby, is missing. So from there, we went to the police station and I put down my statement. And after that, we have been looking for David and the other people. That is what I know about it.
So do you know anybody called Sunday?
I don't know anybody called Sunday. The person that was posted there, his name is David Shagba.
But David just said that you introduced Sunday to him.
Yes.
I don't know this.
And that you are the one that told him that you can make money through kidnapping.
No, sir. I don't know Sunday, sir.
You don't know Sunday?
No, sir. I don't
so
know
how much
Sunday.
of David do you know?
David Shagba, he has been working with the company since 2022. And he has worked in different locations. And those places that he worked with us, there is no problem from the client. And there is no complaint about him.
Do you have his guarantor's contact?
Because it has been long that he has been working with us, and I also have some other people that work in the office. So I don't know who keep his document that time, but they have been checking the office to search for his guarantor's document, sir.
Don't you think if such a crime can happen in your face, that you are also culpable?
We always give them guarantors form to fill, and after filling the guarantors form, they give them training before any operative is deployed. But maybe because it has been long time, that's why they couldn't lay hands on the guarantors form, sir.
So meaning your company does not?
That I posted the guy to the school around May, and he has been working with them in the school. And since he has been working with them in the school, there is no complaint, sir.
Okay, are you now saying that you should not be blamed at all?
I understand, sir. We are supposed to provide his guarantors form and his details. But like I said before, maybe because of the...
I am saying, are you saying now that you are
his fault, that we did not keep his record, sir?
Is that your only fault?
Sir?
Is that your only fault?
That we are unable to keep the record and we are unable to secure...
What of the fact that you are unable to secure the baby in your custody and the caregiver?
Sir, in the office, we normally have supervisors to visit the location sometimes. I'm working in the private company. I am the admin assistant, so I don't always stay there in the location. It's once in a while we visit the location.
You once gave this guy idea of kidnapping now.
That life is hard. Life is hard. There are other sources of making money, and you brought the idea and as well introduced Sunday to him.
I did not give him the idea, and It has been the only time David communicated with me is when he's due for his payment. That was when he communicated that Oga, they have not received their payment, and I told him he should hold on, that when the client pay, we are going to pay them. So I'm working in the office. I don't work with the guards directly. I only visit them when the client call. That is when I go to locations. I'm working in the office, sir.